Well, if you guys are up early enough, about 6:30 on November 29th, you can catch Venus as it here is due east. Biggest, brightest thing still shining at 6:30 in the morning. And the only other things you might confuse it with are Arcturus in the constellation Booties. But that's almost too dim to see. The only other things I could see is Capella to the northwest, Castor and Pollux were just above about 20 minutes ago. I can't see them now. And correction, that was Procyon to the west. And this is Capella to the north. Again, about all you can see this early in the morning. But if you get up early enough, you can get a good treat with Venus this time of year.